My name is Amy Navarro, and I'm here at your Block of the Month headquarters, the lovely Stitchin Heaven. I get to share today with you some exciting news. We are running a new Block of the Month program called Epic. It is designed by Charisma Horton, who is a very good friend of our own Rob Appell. And because of that, this quilt is done in all Rob Appell fabrics. It is beautifully done, and it's going to be completely pre-cut for you. So that means no measuring, cutting, you're just ready to sew. And the second thing I wanted to mention is that the backing fabric is also included. So you're gonna have a complete quilt by the time you make it through this Block of the Month program. And I get to show you what's gonna come in your month one package. So let's get into it. Of course, you have all these lovely Rob fabrics, and he does a good job of giving you a full range of color here. And as I said, they're all pre-cut. See, here's all your triangles, already pre-cut. Engineered corners on the sides there. Very nice. And all of your fill-in here. This is your pattern. It's going to come to you just like this in full color with the front picture being the quilt. This bad boy ends up at 96 by 96 square. It's a very large, colorful quilt, and it's eye-catching. Let's open it up here. You're going to go over a welcome from Rob and Charisma here, and then before you get into it, some basic instructions. Then it's going to have your fabric chart. All of your fabrics are going to match up exactly because this is Rob's fabric that we're using. And then it'll go into your month one, and so on and so forth. It does also have another fabric key here on the back for you and some of Charisma's information. And then I'm going to show you what else is going to come. My favorite part of your package is this welcome letter that we include, and it comes ready for you to sign up for our more Block of the Month if you're interested. But it gives you all the information about this current one. So it tells you what day the program is going to be mailed out to you. That's the bill date. It tells you how long the program is. This is 12 months long, and it does come with the backing fabric. It also gives you some instructions there on what's on the inside. We give you another full color picture here in your welcome letter, and then we give you the QR codes that I'll go over with you. For all of our Block of the Month programs, guys, we include a Facebook group, which is your first QR code. We strongly suggest that you go and sign up for that Facebook group. It's where we give out information if anything comes up during the program, or we just want to share some videos with you. And it's also a place to have community with your fellow quilters so that you can share your journey of making this quilt together, any tips or tricks that you might have. We love having you as customers, and this is a great way to have a community within our community. So I'm going to continue on here. We give you a QR code with a fabric key as well. So we offer you a digital version of the fabric key just in case you lose your paper copy. And then we give you a subscription and newsletter. This gives you information we'll send out to you about other things that we do here at Stitchin Heaven. We have cruises, we have retreats, we have bus trips. We do lots of fun things here, and we love our customers to come and visit us in person. Sometimes I will get to meet someone that I've only ever had an email or phone conversation with, and it's nice to put a face with a name. We love our customers, and we truly appreciate you guys. And the last one is going to be a QR code for any information that you need to update during the billing cycle of this program. So if you've got a phone number change, a credit card change, anything like that, address, that's where you can do that. Or you can just contact our customer service group. Their information here is on the back. It lets you know their hours of operation. They're lovely ladies, and they're so helpful. So you can reach out by phone or email, and we will get back to you. I strongly encourage you, if you have not signed up for this particular Block of the Month, to head on over to our Block of the Month headquarters page at stitchinheaven.com. There should be a link that's going to be down below this video. It'll take you straight there. If you didn't sign up for this one and are very interested in doing one with us, there's lots of options there for you to look through, starting at different times so you can find something that works best for your schedule and something that you'll really enjoy making. All right, guys, that's all I have for you right now. Thanks for visiting me, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.